Okay, I'm back again. 2-minute tip. This one may be shorter. Let's talk about your website, Facebook. A couple days ago, no, excuse me, you're going to get it in 2 days. I threw in a description of our digital net and how marketing is changing and working for you to look at because it's very helpful. And we also present what we can do to help you get things coordinated. Trust me, you can't do it on your own. And 1 out of 80 volunteers can do it well. And so I want to prepare you for that. It is something I've worked a long time on and then got another couple companies to put it together for me as to how it all works. Okay, let's talk about them. It takes 8 visits to your website before someone buys into you. I'm going to say that again. It takes 8 visits. So then you have to have a community feel to it in order to get them back. Basically, let me go through several things. Don't put your portrait in there. Don't. Just don't do it. Put active shots and don't have your staff or elders on there. They don't care. Put videos of testimonies about your church. Put photos of what the church looks like. Consider their pain. Most people will respond to those who understand their pain empathetically. That's what they're looking for. They're not looking for yellow pages. They don't care what time things are, other than your basic services and all that. Get a second Facebook.